This adventure continues our four-wheel drive in northwest Namibia. Today we visit the Erongo Mountains, and Ben spots a sidetrack that needs to be explored. As we return to the main dirt track, we spotted rain clouds in the distance. Time to find a campsite for the night. Day 21 started warm and calm. We noticed a hand-painted sign indicating Sand People Living Museum and pulled over. Making fire the old-fashioned way.
The women like jewelry from the Ostrich Egg shells. And the plants to decorate with necklaces.
From the Sand People, we drove south and then west to the Spitzkoppe Range, where we stopped at some desert stalls selling minerals. Namibia is rich in minerals, and the locals collect pretty samples to sell to tourists. Ot?
Yes.
Do you go to school?
Yes.
Where's your school? A community campground in these mountains is today's objective. It's the end of day 21. Where's the menu?
There's only chakalaka and beans on the menu, sorry.